Welcome back. Today I'm cooking with Tammy. I'm going to show you how to make the ultimate fried fish recipe. So without further ado, let's introduce our ingredients and get to cooking. First one up is our fillet of fish. Yes, this right here, guys, is flounder. However, feel free to substitute with any type of fish that you prefer, whether it be whiting or even catfish. It's going to taste absolutely delicious. For our other ingredients, we're going to need, of course, hot sauce along with Creole seasoning, paprika, not smoked, regular paprika, along with cayenne pepper, lemon pepper, garlic powder, Old Bay seasoning, onion powder, and a packet of Sazon, yellow mustard, all-purpose flour, and cornmeal. So without further ado, let's get to cooking. We're about to get fancy with it, all right? So we're going to season up our flour. We're going to add some onion powder. And this right here is seasoned to taste. We're just seasoning flour, guys. So use your discretion and judgment when it comes to seasoning the flour. Can't go wrong, all right? We're also going to add some Old Bay seasoning. Maybe about a tablespoon of each, I don't know. Garlic powder. Sometimes we just gotta cook free-handedly, trust me, and it comes out absolutely tasty. Even better than when we apply measurements to our recipes. We're also gonna incorporate some lemon pepper for that nice little lemony flavor. Cayenne pepper, now of course, don't ask me how much cayenne pepper to put in there. You gotta know if you want it spicy or if you just want a little hint of spice. Don't be afraid if you didn't add enough, no problem. Get back in here, add some more seasonings. Trust me, with this recipe, there's no wrong or rights. Just get it done. Mix it all in there, just like that. Once you're done, take it on up. The flour is obviously a different color. So I think with that being said, I think we did our thing, all right? You can just look at it and tell that this flour is perfectly seasoned. It's not the same color as when we first started. If you want to take a little taste, you definitely could do that. I do that as well. I taste things from time to time to make sure whether or not if I'm on the right track. All right, that's it. All right. And in the meanwhile, let's work on seasoning up our fish. We're going to start off with adding some hot sauce to our fish, just like that. Add a good amount, along with our mustard. Get in there, mix it up really good. And we are done. Our fish is not going to taste like mustard or anything like that, all right? Flip it on over. Flip it on over once again. I'm just going to let it sit here for a second. I want to make sure that all of the dredge adheres to the fish really good before frying it on up. All right, this looks great. We're going to add our first piece of oil. Yes, we are. Make sure that oil is 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and let's get to frying. While our fish is frying on up, we are going to make our own delicious homemade tartar sauce. Yay! So to this mayo right here, we are going to add some Dijon mustard. Just add a small amount, and that would be perfect. Along with our Worcestershire sauce. Relish, of course. For this particular recipe, I prefer to use sweet relish. However, if you want to rock out with dill or even spicy relish, you can definitely do that as well. We're also going to add some caper juice. Along with our capers. OMG. Let me tell you guys, this recipe right here, no other brand has anything on this delicious homemade tartar sauce. When I tell you banging, oh my goodness, the flavors are absolutely delicious. Once we're done, we're going to go in there, we're going to add some dill paste. Now here's the thing, if you have fresh dill on hand, definitely chop it on up, add some fresh dill. We're also going to hit it with a small spritz of lemon juice, and once we're done, we're going to mix it on up, make sure everything is well incorporated. If you take a close look, you can see that the consistency is perfect. We're going to add a small pinch of salt along with ground black pepper. Mix it on up once again. It's about that time. We are going to bring this recipe on home. So we're going to check on our fish. Once the fish floats to the top, that's our indication right there that it's done. You just remove it from the hot oil. Place it onto your cooling rack station. Allow that excess oil to drain on off. We're going to hit it with a little spritz of lemon juice because, of course, you know our seafood needs lemon juice to bring out the ultimate flavor even more. Our flounder is done. Check it one out. Nice and crispy on the outside. You hear that crispy flakiness? Oh my goodness. Break it open, and as you can see, we have all of the seasoning going on. Check it one out. Nice, perfect white meat. And it's moist on the inside, but definitely crispy on the outside. Serve this one up with some fresh homemade tartar sauce and some lemon wedges. And trust me, you'll be good to go. Eat on up. Or even make a delicious fish sandwich, which is what I did. I took literally about 2 to 3 pieces of fish. Yes, I did. And I placed it onto the bread, of course, with my tartar sauce, added a little extra lemon juice, and I went to town. It was absolutely everything. Perfect fish fry summer recipe. As always, I'm your girl Cooking with Tammy. Don't forget to check out cookingwithtammy.shop for your seasonings, because let me tell you something, it's going to make all of your recipes taste even more delicious. And of course, big shout out to all of my channel members. And as always, I will definitely catch you in another video. Talk to you later. Bye, guys.